video is on MacBook Pro 2009, just for you technology people out there. And I'm showcasing my first Blender animation. I've only been using Blender for 3 days. And I'm going to be starting an animation company where I hopefully will be making good animations. This is a seashell animation test. It may not look that much like a seashell, but oh well. Here it is. And my company name is Animatech, Animation and Technology. I'm going to be publishing a website soon by myself. So, yeah, I'll play it in the video. 3, 2, 1.